Hey everybody, it's Valerie here with the Enchanted Oak, and today we're going to be making a all-natural bug repellent. So what you'll need is a 2-ounce plastic or glass spray bottle with a lid. I'll have all linked to where I get all my tools and materials down below. So we'll have our empty spray bottle here. You're gonna need either water or this is frankincense hydrosol. When essential oils are distilled to get the oil out, you'll see there's gonna be two layers. There's like one that looks like water, and then you have your oil. So the oil is taken out, and what's left is called the hydrosol, which is the water part. And so I have some here. You do not have to use this. You can use water. Totally up to you on that. We're also going to be using patchouli. Let's get the focus. There we go. Patchouli. I know it's probably backwards to you. We have cedarwood. It's not cooperating today. And we have spikenard. There we go. Sorry about any glare here. I am in the living room today because, well, we are getting everything kind of spring cleaning, and everything, craft room is a mess, basement is a mess. My table is a mess too, but I have to have a mess before it's clean. So let's get started here. So what we're gonna do is we're going to open our empty bottle here. Now the sprayer, the plastic piece here is usually longer, because like if I put it in the bottle, it'll be like this, and I gotta put it in there and it bends. And when I take and cut it, so if you can see the bottom there's like maybe a centimeter from the bottom to there. Entirely up to you how short you make it. Now if you make it too short, you're gonna have half a bottle of stuff that you can't do anything with. So I just do it a little bit. Sometimes I'll leave it to where it's touching the bottom, but that is entirely up to you how short you want to do it. Now, we want to take and fill our bottle here with the hydrosol, and let's do it just so I can see better. And this is a 2-ounce spray bottle. I didn't fill it, but that's the last of my hydrosol. So that works out because we grab the nope, sorry. Let me grab the aloe real quick. No, that's avocado. Aloe vera gel. And I know it's not wanting to focus right today. So what you can do, the aloe vera, you can add it to the spray. It's going to help your skin, soft, all that good stuff. Now, normally, like if you would ran out of the hydrosol, you could add in water. No big deal on that. If you don't add in water, you can add in aloe vera. You can add in one more hydrosol. So I'm just going to, I could probably pour this in. it's a little thick, so. Oh. No, so I fill it up too, as you can see, just below where the broom is there. I want to give some room for my oils as well as the pump. And then what I'm going to do, so I have a glass stirring rod. I'm just going to do a little mix, that's all. Wipe this down here. You're going to shake it up before you use it anyways, just to get everything mixed up relatively good there. So that's not an issue. All right, so first we're going to start with most blending that I do, you do a drop by drop. So say, in this case, you're going to need 16 drops of patchouli, there's 10 drops of cedar wood, and 4 of the spikenard. Normally what I would do is I would do 1 of each and then another 1 of each, so I can smell it and blend it so that, you know, I don't put too much of the cedar wood or one scent's not overpowering another. So they all blend together well. But I already have the recipe out, so we're not going to be doing that. We're just going to go ahead and add, again, that's 16 drops of patchouli. Patchouli's a little thicker, so it takes a minute to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right. As you can see, it's just sitting up there floating. Remember, hydrosol is water, so they're not gonna mix. Now there is a product out there you can purchase, soluble is the name of it. You can mix it in there and it'll help disperse the oil in the water and mix it together. I find that you just shake it before you spray it. It does pretty much the same thing and cheaper. So, all right, now we're on to our cedar wood, and with this we want 10 drops. So we'll go ahead and look at an air bubble. Alright. Yeah, sometimes these will get little air bubbles on it and then it doesn't want to come out. Alright, 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, and then the last one, the spikenard, or any way you pronounce it. It's how I remember it. We're at 4 drops of this. Oh, I love that smell. Come on. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we have our 4. So when you mix it, you can see it's not mixing in there. You just see the little droplets, which is kind of cool to look at, but oh, it smells amazing already, and it's not even mixed up all the way. So what we'll do is we'll just take, put the lid on, shake it up. You can still see it's little, you can still see them in there, but shake it up really good. Oh, it smells so good. And you would just spray it all over, go outside, and it's a bug repellent, which is great. It's all natural. You don't have to worry about any chemicals, things like that. Quick and easy to make. You can make it for friends, family, yourself. If you're going to sell it, entirely up to you. Now, I will put this in the fridge so that, and it's got the aloe in it. So say summertime, you got a little bit of sun already, and this will cool you off as well as keep bugs away. But yeah, I'll keep this in the fridge for that cooling bit so that, you know, hot out. Do a quick spray bug spray. It cools you down too. So there you have it. So like I said, down below I'll have a link to all the tools and materials that where to get them. My essential oils I get at Aromatics International, and I'll have a link for that down below as well. They're all pure essential oils, tested, everything like that. So that's where I get my essential oils, and then the other items, I'll have links for those as well. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to leave any comments down below about anything you want to see in the future. Remember, we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 95% of the time. I had just now getting over the flu, so last week we kind of didn't have videos, but we got everything going there. Friday is our informational series. We'll be starting with essential oils. And then Monday is our metaphysical corner. So I will see you all on Friday. All right, and have a great day. Bye.